show her some more when we get home. It's like everything she does is so cute. She has the hiccups. We're gonna tape her ears. Her ears like come up and down, but that's normal. But how cute is she? I think we're gonna decide on the name. Well, I decided. I think we're gonna go with Celine. So we're gonna see. There's her creeping on over. She's been surprisingly nice to her, which is good and friendly. Hey guys, we're at Target and I'm getting some things. I know I'm a little late, but got some plants, curtains for the kitchen, trash can, more plants, towels, a rug. And I'm looking for, right now I'm looking for like some Halloween decorations. It's not that much left, obviously, but I wanted like a cute wreath, but I don't see anything. So I'm gonna look on Amazon to see, but I think I just want to get some pumpkins for outside. Oh, I got some cute little pumpkins for inside the house, but yeah, I don't want to do too much. Next year I'll be more prepared, so I'll be able to decorate more. Ooh, see, I'm gonna do something simple. Like, that's cute. Hey, look at when we travel one day, we're gonna get luggage. Your luggage is so cute for the girls. All in this backpack. That's something I would get my girl. I can't wait. We got 2 little carts full. I'm shopping for the new dog, but those costumes are so cute. So I have to get like all the basics, puppy pads, collars, dog food bowls and stuff. So yeah. We have a girl coming and a boy coming, so I have to get a girl and boy everything. So let's see. A cute blue for the boy. We kind of already have these kinds, so I want everything to like match. Like the cute leashes, name tags and everything. So yeah, I'll see you guys in a minute. Ooh, we got Mexican food. Ooh.
You gotta ride the wave, baby.
At one of my favorite places. I'm about to get stuff for my Halloween costume. So first, I need to get the mesh fabric, preferably like in a green color, or like a dark green, like that color. So let's see. I'm looking for a long string of pearls. And I'll probably get this, some shells, something like this to maybe drape in the middle. But yeah, I'm looking for more like oceany things. So let's just see. Okay, you guys, Joann's didn't have everything, so we're at Walmart. All right, y'all, Walmart didn't have everything, so we're at Target. So now, you guys, I'm at Hobby Lobby. This is cute. I want to put something like this in my house, but they have the shells. They have like a whole mermaid area, which is cute. So now I just need to find some big ass shells. But how cute, y'all! A whole mermaid. Push come to shove, I'll rip this off. Last resort. Okay, guys, we found the seashells, the large ones. The size, they're pretty big. So I'm trying to match to see. They're kind of like different colors, of course. I'm trying to see the ones that look the most alike. Yes. What I need. So let's see what's later. Okay, guys, I just got home. All this stuff is from a different place. I got everything for the costume. So this is everything. This is from Walmart. Hobby Lobby. Joann's and the fabric. And I got red arrow lid, but I probably can't do that because I have a raisin. I got some duplicates, and I'm just gonna take back the most expensive one because I'm always down for a good save. But I love this, it's so pretty. And it's awesome. So I'm about to get started. Hey guys, I'm in the garage. I just cut this box, the top off, so I can put the bra in here. And I'm gonna spray paint it and hope it doesn't go everywhere. I think I might try and leave the camera running. I'm gonna try and get footage. I'm gonna spray mainly like the bottom because I actually like this bra. Oh, it's gold glitter. It's not like gold. I need it to be gold. Oh, okay, there it goes. Okay, I need to crack the garage, but I'll be back, you guys. So this is the bra. I sprayed it gold, and I'm just gonna figure out the placement I want. I'm waiting on my hot glue gun to heat up, and I'm just gonna stick them right about here. Let's see, right about there. Right, guys, it might not look like much because the shells are like weighing down, but when you put this on, you don't really see like the sides or the back or the bottom. But I have 2 sets of matchings, so I think I'm going to attempt to maybe go back and forth along here on the bottom, and then take the matching on the other side, and then whatever's left like up in here that you can still see, I'm gonna cover it with some beads that I put in the bowl. And I got extra seashells just in case I had little areas that I wanted to conceal. So let's see how this goes. So I'm going to do something like this right here, and I'm only going to glue like the tips, and I'm going to try it on, see if I like it, and if I don't like it, I'll proceed with the pearls. So I ended up with something like this on the side. Okay, then I took, it comes like one piece, and then I just draped it on both sides, and the little spaces you can see I'm going to fill in with the pearls. And now I'm going to take this and get like this with the drapes. I'm going to take the other one and then do like a smaller one. Doesn't look like much, guys, but stay with me, stay with me.
there. You'll keep running from me like